Your company is in the market to replace your analog POTS line. Maybe you have one site with a lot of POTS lines. Maybe you have a bunch of sites, each with POTS lines for alarm lines and all kinds of stuff. And maybe you're doing this because maybe you got a letter from your current phone provider in the area saying that they're going to decommission their copper analog lines in the area. Or maybe you know that's coming, maybe you've heard the news, and so you're trying to get ahead of the curve and do this before you get that letter when they give you 30 days notice to get rid of those copper lines. Well, either way, you might be wondering, okay, that's great, we need to replace these, but how much do these cost? Like, what's it cost to replace our analog POTS lines? How much do POTS replacement lines cost? I'm gonna tell you in this video. That's the reason why I'm doing this video. But first, if you like my recommendation on the best analog POTS line replacement solutions that your business should be quoting, send me an email, give me a call. It won't cost you anything, and I will tell you the best solutions to quote for your business. I will also get you a lot better pricing on those solutions than if you were to try to call them directly. I'm a broker for all the major business telecommunications solutions out there. I work with maybe 500 different service providers, and I've been doing this for over 20 years. That's why you see the gray hair here. So, join the thousands of other companies who have used me to help their company make a lot better decision in a fraction of the time. So when you reach out to me, I'm gonna ask you a few questions in terms of, hey, how many lines do you have, locations, all this stuff, what are they for? Are they for alarm lines, fire lines? And then I'm gonna team you up with the best solutions. I'm gonna get you the best salespeople. I'm gonna get you the best pricing. I'm gonna get you a little demo, maybe a call with them if you need it, answer all your technical questions, all that stuff. So, and it's not gonna cost your company anything to work with me. The actual service providers pay me my broker fee, so your company doesn't have to pay me a dime. So there's no excuse not to at least reach out and get my opinion on this stuff. It'll probably save you a ton of time and help you make a lot better decision. So do that today. Send me an email, give me a call. More information on that at the end of the video. Also, go check out our website, AeroCom where you can read and write reviews on different providers. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any of my weekly videos that I put out. I put a new video out every single week. The only way you'll know about that is if you're subscribed to the channel. So please do that today. Well, when it comes to analog POTS line replacement solutions, the business standard out there is POTS over cellular. So that's what I'm gonna focus on today. You can get analog POTS lines through your cable provider sometimes, but the standard out there these days is really POTS over cellular. That's the most popular. So that's what I'm gonna focus on today. How much does that cost? Well, let's cut right to the chase. The cost of those are gonna be around $40 to $60 per analog line per month, depending on some different factors. Now, that's going to be a lot less expensive than what you're paying today typically for copper analog POTS lines with a legacy telecommunications provider. A lot of times when you look at surcharges and all that stuff added, you're probably paying over $100 per line per month for existing analog copper POTS lines. So this is actually going to save you some money, jumping to $40 to $60 per month per line. But what dictates if it's $40 versus $60 per line? Let's talk about that a little bit. The first is, how many analog POTS lines does your company currently have at each site? So why that matters is because some companies charge $60 per line per month no matter what. But other companies might charge you $40 per line per month, but they have to bring out a piece of equipment for those lines to work, and that piece of equipment may cost $20 per appliance per month, but that appliance might be able to take up to 4 POTS lines in it. So depending on how many POTS lines your company has, the first line might cost $60 per line per month, but each additional line is only going to cost $40 for those 3 more, because 4 of them can plug into the same device. They don't need a separate device for each single line. So that's why it could be as low as $40 per line per month if your company has multiple lines at every single site, or it could cost around $60 per line per month. Another thing that might change the pricing is, does your company want dual SIM service for each POTS line? So what that means with POTS over cellular, if your company has the ability, you might want to have 2 different SIM cards in the appliance. One connects to, say, Verizon wireless, the other connects to T-Mobile wireless networks. So that just gives you more redundancy. So if you want a dual SIM card for extra redundancy to make sure you have optimal uptime for those alarm lines, those fire alarm lines, elevator alarm lines, that might be something that's an upcharge with providers. Some providers do charge more, some providers don't, but that could affect your pricing as well. And also, battery backup might cost you additional money. If your company wants a battery backup, sometimes analog POTS over cellular companies charge additional for that. Some companies include free battery backup for up to 24 hours. So it depends on the service provider you're quoting. But again, no matter what, whether it's $40 per line per month or $60 per line per month, you're definitely going to save a lot of money going from, analog copper POTS lines with your existing incumbent telecommunications provider like AT&T or Frontier or Verizon or Lumen or whoever the provider is in the area, going from that to POTS over cellular. It's going to be a big cost savings project for you, more than likely, so it's going to be fine in terms of pricing. But again, if you'd like some recommendations, there's a lot of providers out there that can do this, but send me an email, give me a call. I will connect you with the right providers to quote that have a great reputation, and I'll get you better pricing on those solutions than you'd get if you try to call them on your own. I'm a broker for all the major business telecommunications vendors out there, and I've been doing this for over 20 years. So I know the industry inside and out. I know who's got a good reputation, who's got a great solution, who doesn't. I will connect you with the best salespeople to work with at those companies. I'll get you a demo on the product. I'll get all your technical questions answered properly, and I'll make sure you get better pricing on the vendor of your choice. Overall, just join the thousands of other companies who have used me over the years to help them make a lot better decision in a fraction of the time. So send me an email, give me a call. I'd love to help you on this. It's the reason why I do these videos. And if you got something from the video, it's a nice way to say thank you. Send me an email, give me a call. I'd love to help. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of my weekly videos that I put out. And go check out our website, aerocominc.com. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.